Hello, my name is Emily, and today we are going to be talking about cellular respiration and photosynthesis, how these processes relate to each other, and if they would be able to exist without each other. So first, covering some terminology, we need to cover the differences between catabolic and anabolic. So a catabolic process is going to be breaking down different molecules in order to produce energy, whereas a anabolic process is going to be making molecules out of other ones, so it uses energy, or it requires energy to do that. So looking at photosynthesis would be an example of an anabolic process because it uses the energy from sunlight in order to produce sugar molecules from carbon dioxide gas and water. So it makes those molecules, which uses energy. Whereas cellular respiration would be a catabolic process because it breaks down glucose into carbon dioxide and water. So these two processes relate to each other because the product of one system is the reactant of another. So photosynthesis, it makes the sugar molecules, the glucose molecules, out of the carbon dioxide and the water molecules that it takes in through, from the sun's energy and stuff. Whereas, so those are the products of photosynthesis, whereas those are also the reactants to start the process of cellular respiration, which then produces the carbon dioxide and water molecules that photosynthesis uses as the reaction for it. So looking at if these processes could occur without the other, they would not be able to, because the processes of photosynthesis and cellular respiration, they make one large loop, and so it's a constant circle, and the product of one is the reactant of the other, which means that without one, the other would not be able to occur.